They haul, they pick up, and they deliver almost everything we use. Nearly everything we eat, wear, even throw away is delivered by a heavy-duty vehicle. And over the past few decades, these vehicles have come a long way in becoming more efficient, using less oil and generating less pollution. New and improved truck technology is hitting the road, saving us natural resources and money. About 80% of our nation's goods are transported by big Class 8 trucks. You see them on the highways everywhere you go. And even though they only make up 4% of the vehicles on the road, they use about 20% of the nation's transportation fuel. And that means there's huge potential for savings. Check out this super truck. It features new fuel-efficient technologies that make it 50% more efficient than the average truck. If all Class 8 trucks adopted these fuel-efficient technologies, we could save 300 million barrels of oil a year and save $30 billion annually in fuel costs. And because many of these vehicles travel over 100,000 miles each year, individual operators could save about $20,000 a year on fuel. There are several different ways to improve the fuel efficiency of these big rigs: advanced combustion engines, hybridization, aerodynamic improvements, and lightweighting, to name a few. Okay, let's start with the engine. With an advanced combustion engine, fuel burns more efficiently because it is injected precisely at very high pressures into the combustion chamber. Also, some of the heat that comes out of the exhaust pipe can be reused in a waste heat recovery device to produce more work and reduce the demands on the engine. Another advanced combustion process, known as low-temperature combustion, burns the fuel at a much lower temperature than a conventional engine. When fuel burns cooler, it burns more efficiently and cleaner. In fact, an engine like this can make a truck like this 20% more fuel efficient, a dramatic increase. Another improvement comes from the fuel itself. Today's diesel fuel has less sulfur than previous blends. This ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel allows engines to use better after-treatment technologies that clean up tailpipe emissions, as well as advanced technologies that improve efficiency. And while advancements under the hood help increase fuel efficiency, the actual shape of the truck can save energy too. Using the latest improvements in aerodynamics, super trucks have streamlined bodies to cut through the wind, creating much less drag. Super trucks are also built with durable, lightweight materials, high-efficiency tires, and equipment that limits the need for engine idling time. These all help boost a super truck's efficiency. And it's not just the highway trucks that are becoming more energy efficient. It's also the trucks in our shipping yards. This Class 8 truck plugs into the electrical grid and runs purely on electricity. As a result, it's quiet and environmentally friendly. And the drive system built into this truck is providing 60 to 120 miles of range under normal operating conditions, with a 3 to 4 hour recharge time. On a larger scale, the Port of Los Angeles is also using hundreds of natural gas vehicles supported by an Energy Department project. All of these vehicles are helping clear the air for nearby neighborhoods, which suffer from some of the worst air quality in the country. From the busiest highways to our bustling ports, heavy-duty, low-emissions vehicles can bring us the goods and services we rely on every day in a cleaner, more sustainable way.